They're gonna do it.
Yeah.
Right, here we are, Man vs Tram 2. The day is finally upon us, Joe. I'm nervous. How are you feeling?
I'm nervous as well, Adam.
Right,
Very
okay.
nervous.
This time we're going to do it. We're going to get on the tram, we're going to get off at Piccadilly Station, and we've got to run and get back on the same tram at Deansgate Castlefield. Obviously, we need two people to be on the tram. Matt White, Simon Binns, they'll take it from here.
All the best.
We're going to do it!
All the best.
Good luck, Let's do it! Come on! Oh, we're going!
What do you reckon?
I think Joe might do it because he's done it before, so he knows 20 seconds makes a difference.
Chill. Let's get our pace. Let's get our pace.
I don't think
They're gonna do it.
I don't think they're gonna do it.
Right.
We are now approaching Piccadilly Gardens, where you can change for services to Bury.
Okay, this is where we could do with it being slow.
Yeah, all these people are getting off.
Take your
Under
time,
Piccadilly
take your
Gardens.
time. Take time.
This is a service to
Cause a scene.
No rush.
Create a diversion. Right, so we're just leaving Piccadilly Gardens. We haven't seen them. It wasn't the slowest change ever, was it? But it's given them about 30 seconds.
I reckon it's bought some time.
We're good. We're good.
Oh!
What?
Oh no, it's a jogger.
It's just another person running. This has stopped for quite a while at St.
Just
Peter's
about to
Square.
leave St. Peter's Square.
I'm expecting to see him just like chariots of fire.
They're not going to do it.
We're now approaching Deansgate Castlefield.
Do you think Adam's had a
where you can change the national
Adam's had a
rail
fall?
and
Are we here already? I know even.
Oh, hang on, they're coming, they're coming, they're coming, they're coming. They're coming. Come on, boys!
They're going to do it. Right, these lads are going to give him a standing ovation when they come on.
Press the button. Press the button. Press that button. Press that button. Well done, boys.
Look at that.
Well done, mate. Well done. Well done. Well done, lads. Just
Well done.
Hey!
Man vs Tram 2. Complete. Oh, all for amazing cause, Reuben's Retreat. Thank you for donating. You can still donate now. Just click on the link on our Twitter page.
Yes.
Same time next year, Joe.
Should we get the tram back to the studio?
I don't want to see a tram ever again.
All
mate.
right,
Let's go.
Excess Manchester Breakfast with Adam Brown.